Baby Shark's Art Adventure. Love on a Canvas. Hi kids, how are you today? We are going to draw and color Baby Shark while he's painting. How cool is that? Let's start with Baby Shark and draw his eyes. Then let's draw his head. While you're drawing, I'm going to tell you a very fun story.
With every stroke, a dream takes flight. A Sharky artist shining bright.
One quiet morning, Baby Shark had an idea. I'm going to paint a picture of Mom and Dad. It will be my best gift ever, he said, setting off his canvas and brushes. As he started painting, Pinky and Goldfish swam over. Wow, that looks fun! Are you sure you know how to paint? Pinky asked. Baby Shark smiled. I've never done it before, but I'll give it my best shot. He started with Mommy Shark's smile, but the paintbrush slipped. Oh no! Baby Shark sighed. That doesn't look right. Don't worry, said Pinky kindly. Art is all about trying, fixing, and trying again. Baby Shark nodded and kept going. He painted Daddy Shark's fins, but they looked too big. He erased and tried again. He splashed colors for the background, and though it wasn't perfect, he kept working bit by bit. Finally, after lots of effort, Baby Shark looked at his painting and smiled. It's not perfect, but it's full of love, and that's what matters most. When Mom and Dad Shark saw the painting, their eyes lit up. This is amazing, said Mommy Shark. It's the most beautiful gift we've ever received, Daddy Shark added. Baby Shark beamed with pride. I learned that making art isn't about being perfect. It's about trying, learning, and never giving up.
Ever seen a masterpiece so pristine?
Pinky smiled, and you didn't give up. That's why your painting is so special. From that day on, Baby Shark painted even more, knowing that every brushstroke was part of his journey as an artist.
Yellow, blue, and green, the cutest sharks you've ever seen.
Wow, kids, how was that story? Did you like it? I'm inspired. Baby Shark is very smart. Wow, kids, look over here. We drew Baby Shark. We drew his eyes, a beautiful smile, and an artist hat. What are you having over there? Oh, a paintbrush. That's so cool. And a paint palette. Look at this canvas. It's looking good.
Baby Shark draws with fish and coral too. A vibrant world, fresh and
Do you want to draw Baby Shark's painting? Yes! Oh, I'm so happy! Let's draw it! As you know, Baby Shark is drawing his mommy and daddy. So, okay, let's draw his models too. First, Daddy Shark. And then Mommy Shark.
Makes our hearts glow. Baby shark's art makes our hearts glow. With every stroke, a dream takes flight. A sharky artist shining bright. Baby shark draws with a smile. Mommy shark and daddy shark in style. Red, yellow, blue,
Keep going. You are doing amazing.
with a brush and a wiggle.
Here are Daddy Shark's tail and fin.
Sharky, drawing star, making art.
And sharp teeth.
Sharky, full of glee, a creative shark of the sea. In the ocean, blue and white.
Up here, let's draw Mommy Shark. Can you do that for me? Of course you can. You know how to draw.
Swimming side by side in his ocean canvas they reside. Splish, splash, the colors flow. Baby shark's art makes our hearts glow. With every stroke, a dream takes flight. A sharky artist shining bright. He adds some fish.
Kids, I want you to remember, even the best artists make mistakes. It's how they learn and grow. See? Now, we've got a beautiful Mommy Shark. I really like her.
Colors flow. Baby shark's art makes our hearts glow. With every stroke, a dream takes flight. A sharky artist shining bright.
Good job, kiddos! Now, let's draw Baby Shark's painting. Yes, yes, yes. You ready? Let's go!
With a brush and a wiggle, Baby shark makes everyone giggle.
Look at Mommy Shark and Daddy Shark. Copy it! Again! You can do it!
A creative shark of the sea. Mommy shark's pink, Daddy shark's blue. Baby shark's art is super too. He paints them all with love and care. A masterpiece beyond compare. With a palette and a grin.
Kids, I want you to remember that while you're drawing Mommy Shark and Daddy Shark on the canvas, you need to draw them a little bit smaller. That's all, just a little bit smaller. Baby Shark, we are proud of you. You are a great artist.
Vibrant world, fresh and new. Mommy shark smiles, Daddy shark winks. At Baby shark's art, everyone thinks it's the best they've ever seen. A masterpiece so pristine. So it's the best they've ever seen.
Now, to make it look even better, you can make the lines darker and color in the black dots.
Baby shark's art makes our hearts glow. Baby shark's art makes our hearts glow. With every stroke, a dream takes flight. A sharky artist shining bright.
Ta-da! Easy peasy. Now it's time to color. Let's start with our sea painter. Yes, he is right here. I'm talking about Baby Shark, which is yellow. Excellent!
Baby shark makes everyone giggle. Sharky, sharky, drawing star. Making art near and far. Sharky, sharky, full of glee. A creative shark of the
Don't forget to color his body too.
shark blue. Baby shark's art is super too. He paints them all with love and care. A masterpiece beyond compare. With a palette and a grin.
Let's use pink for his tongue and red for his mouth. That's right, pink and red. Kids, we also need a very nice color for Baby Shark's hat and scarf. What color should we use? What do you think? Oh, yes. Here I'm using my orange color. Yes, orange. You can color Baby Shark's hat and scarf any color you like. Now let's go to the paintbrush and palette. First, let's color the palette brown and then the handle of the paintbrush. Let's use our blue color for the brush. Yes, for the paint of the brush. I think Baby Shark was trying to color the Daddy Shark. Yes, because Daddy Shark is blue. Now let's move on to our models. Yes, first let's color our Daddy Shark. He is blue. You know the blue color, right? It's the color of the sky and the ocean. And now, let's use pink for our beautiful and kind mommy shark. And for her lips, we are going to use our red color. Okay, what are we missing? Oh, that's right, the canvas. Let's color these wooden parts brown. Yes, because they're made of wood. Now let's color Baby Shark's painting. Color Mommy Shark pink and Daddy Shark blue. Kids, you can use your own creativity and add more cute and fun stuff to Baby Shark's painting, such as seaweeds or even some bubbles. What do you have on mind? Let's add some bubbles, and we are almost done. For the final touch, we add some shadings.
Some fish, some coral too. A vibrant world, fresh and new. Mommy Shark smiles, Daddy Shark winks at Baby Shark's art. Everyone thinks it's the best they've ever seen. A masterpiece, so pristine. Splish, splash, the colors flow. Baby Shark's art makes our hearts glow. With every stroke, a dream takes flight. A Sharky artist shining bright. It's the best they've ever seen. A masterpiece, so pristine. Splish, splash, the colors flow. Baby Shark's art makes our hearts
Baby Shark the painter. Excellent job! To watch more videos, subscribe to our channel, and if you like painting the baby shark, like the video. Bye bye!
Everyone giggle. Sharky, Sharky, drawing star.